Hey friends, in this video we'll discuss the fifth subdivision of first question of exercise 8.2 chapter 8 trigonometry. The question goes, evaluate the following: 5 cos square 60 plus 4 secant square 30 minus tan square 45 divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. By substituting the values, 5 into cos square 60, cos 60 is 1 by 2 the whole square, plus 4 secant square 30. Secant 30 is 2 by root 3 the whole square, minus tan square 45. Tan 45 is 1, so 1 square, divided by sin square 30 is 1 by 2 the whole square, plus cos square 30 is root 3 by 2 the whole square. On solving the equation, 5 into 1 by 4 is 5 by 4, plus 4 into 4 by 3 minus 1 divided by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, which is equal to 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1 divided by 4 by 4, this one, which in turn gives 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1. Taking 12 as the common denominator, 5 into 3 is 15 plus 3 into 4 is 12, so 16 into 4 is 64 minus 12, which gives us 79 minus 12 divided by 12, which is equal to 67 by 12, which is the answer. Thank you.